So, you don't become happy by pursuing happiness. You become happy by living a life that means something. So let's take a step back. Everything that we were taught in the past about financial traditional education was absolutely incorrect. So it's almost like they trained us for failure. Success was not the plan. Time and time again, we tried to adjust our spending habits. We tried to adjust our lifestyle, and still yet we fail. The biggest investment we own is our time. But why do we spend what we can't get back? Trust me, I can relate. I was never shown the true meaning of freedom. That's healthy spending, ownership, and wealth building. Being taught good money habits is a gift that will pay off the rest of your life. So be inspired, be unforgiving, be relentless, because this is your future. I am Emmanuel Loncke, and are you ready for the lifestyle?